Want to learn the reverse turning kick? Then this video is for you. Now this is the kind of kick that requires a lot of flexibility. So if you haven't already, I highly recommend that you stretch your legs out as much as you can before you start trying to do this kick. If you want me to post a stretching routine video, let me know in the comments below. Once you're fully stretched out, you're good to continue watching this video. So to start this kick, like most Taekwondo kicks, you're going to start with your left leg in front of you and your right leg behind you, or the opposite if you're kicking with your left leg. Now this left leg in front of you is very important because that's going to be the foot that you're spinning on. So before you start trying to do any kicking, I highly recommend that you get down being able to spin on your left leg pretty flawlessly. Make sure you're able to do a full 360 while pivoting on your left leg. Another important thing to make sure is that you're spinning on the ball of your foot. This makes your spin a lot faster. So now that you've got that spinning motion on your left leg, as you're spinning, pick up your right leg and sort of swing it around, which would look something like this for a beginner doing it. And you can even hop like I'm doing, if it makes it easier. And you can start slow and sort of do a little hop, just to get that motion around. But as you practice this, I want you to slowly get more fluid with it. Spinning. Now if you're struggling to get that smooth spin without hopping, or getting your leg at that height that I had at the beginning of the video, don't panic. Keep practicing. There's no set time limit for learning these kicks. If it takes you more practice than someone else to get it, then that just means you'll have more practice, which means in the end your technique might be even better. If you really want to fast track your way to getting this kick nice, I'd recommend stretching every day, practicing every day, and yeah, that's basically it. Good luck. So if you're feeling good about that, I'm going to show you another part to this kick that's very important. So when you're performing this kick and getting your leg very high, there's this sort of tuck of your shoulder, and it involves your arm too, and you sort of tuck your shoulder down as you lift the other leg up, and it looks something like this when you do the kick. Now moving over to the bag here, I'm going to show you how to really perform this kick. So first I'm going to kick in front of the bag so you can see the motion I'm doing. So basically pretend this is your sparring partner's head right here. So as you can see, I'm spinning on my front leg and my leg's coming up in a straight motion and hitting across the side of the face. I'm slamming their head like a baseball bat, except with your heel. And again, it's hard to see when I hit the bag because my foot stops here. So the motion is that, coming around and hitting them horizontally across their head. Like just pretending this tripod thing is my foot. It's coming around and hitting someone's head. If you're having trouble building momentum for that fast spin, you can swing your arms around as you kick. And that way you kind of propel your body in that spinning motion. Like I said before, if you really want to be a good martial artist and have good kicks, you need to practice all the time. Well, not like every second of every day, but like try to practice at least once a day. And I promise you, I know these kicks are hard to learn, but once you learn them, it is so rewarding. Alright, I hope this helped and I'll see you in the next one.